Golden Retriever Feeding Guide. You have probably noticed that no matter how much food you put in his bowl, your Goldie wants to eat more and acts like he is on brink of starvation. Being a large and energetic dog, your Golden Retriever has a ravenous appetite and can eat a lot. However, overfeeding is never good and could be avoided with the help of a Golden Retriever feeding chart. Knowing how much to feed your Golden Retriever is always tricky but essential for his well-being and health. Goldens are prone to obesity and joint problems, which can only be exacerbated with an inadequate feeding plan. Naturally, a Golden Retriever puppy and an older dog don't have the same nutritional needs, and you will have to base your feeding plan according to your dog's age, activity level, weight, and overall health. In this video, you will find everything you need to know about feeding your Golden Retriever, whether he is a puppy, adult, or senior. So, stay with me to find the right feeding plan and meal schedule for your Goldie. Once you bring your Goldie puppy home, it's crucial that you feed him the right amount of high-quality puppy food. Skipping meals can slow your puppy's growth and development, but overfeeding can cause your pup to grow too quickly, which can lead to bone and joint problems. To encourage proper growth and development without making your pup obese, you will have to know how much to feed a Golden Retriever puppy. Here are some general feeding guidelines for puppies. 2 months old, 1.5 cups a day. 3 months old, 2 cups a day. 4 months old, 2.5 cups a day. 5 to 6 months old, 3 cups a day. 6 to 7 months old, male pups only, 3.5 to 4 cups a day, females should stay on 3 cups/day. Please note that these are only general guidelines and that it's extremely difficult to say how much food you should feed to your Golden Retriever puppy. The exact amount will depend on the quality of food you buy, your puppy's weight, and energy levels. For example, cheaper foods use fillers and have fewer calories, thus you will have to feed more than you would when using premium large breed puppy foods. Since puppies have higher calorie needs but small stomachs, you will have to follow a Golden Retriever puppy feeding schedule. With the right feeding schedule, your pup will grow and develop properly without being hungry at any point during the day. You should feed your Golden Retriever puppy 3 times a day at scheduled intervals until he is 6 months old. Your pup should have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you can create a feeding plan based on your daily schedule and work commitments. Once your puppy turns 6 months, you can start feeding him 2 times a day, but you should keep him on puppy food until he reaches adulthood. How much to feed a Golden Retriever? Golden Retrievers usually weigh from 55 to 75 pounds and reach their full height and weight when they are 12 to 18 months old. Keep in mind that every dog is an individual and that it can take more or less time for your Golden puppy to reach his adult size. However, your Golden's caloric needs will greatly decrease when he reaches 12 to 14 months and he will no longer need the same amount of food as before. For example, nursing mothers and dogs that perform heavy work will need more than 2,000 calories per day in order to maintain their weight and stay healthy. On the other hand, if your pooch is more of a couch potato type than an athlete, he will probably need around 1,000 calories a day in order to maintain a healthy weight. During adulthood, your Golden Retriever feeding schedule should consist of 2 equally spaced meals. Ideally, you should feed your dog in the morning and evening. If you opt for feeding high-quality large breed dog food, an optimal Golden Retriever food amount will be: females, 2 to 2.5 cups a day. Males, 3 to 3.5 cups a day. Active males, 4 cups a day. Nursing females, 5 to 6 cups a day. Keep in mind that these guidelines work only for high-quality dog foods that contain the right amount of proteins, fats, carbs, and all other essential nutrients. Most cheaper foods contain fewer calories and fillers that don't have any real nutritional value, so you will have to feed more. Knowing how much food your Golden Retriever needs can be a tricky task, so whenever in doubt, talk with your vet. He will be able to tell you exactly how much food your Goldie should eat based on his individual dietary needs. Golden Retriever Feeding Guide for Seniors. As your Goldie gets older, he will become less active and will need fewer calories to stay on his ideal weight. Your pooch will be considered a senior when he is 8 years old, so make sure to tweak his diet around this age. Older Golden Retriever will need around 900 calories per day served in 2 equally spaced meals. However, if your senior dog needs to lose some weight, you will have to put him on a diet and lower his calorie intake. You should talk with your vet and see if there is a need to transition your pooch to senior dog food at this point or not. Food for older dogs has fewer calories and is supplemented with glucosamine and vitamins that are beneficial for older dogs. However, many seniors continue to eat regular food without any side effects, but you should check just in case you need to change his diet.